What's good, everybody? It's your boy Baldy, and I'm sorry to not really have an introduction. First of all, I'm still hyped up that I'm wearing the flyest merch around that I designed. But just got back from helping Jake, and I got this bubble on my car. To all my mechanics out there, you know bubbles on a tire is no good. For those that don't know, you don't want to be driving with that. So I just pulled over at this gas station real quick, and okay guys, so I kinda got away. I'm like hiding behind this dumpster. They're right there. One's looking at me and one's in my car right there. I don't know what they're doing. There's one and there's two. I cut the camera for 1 second and he just started my car. He literally just started my car. Dude, he's driving away with it. They're literally stealing my car. They're stealing my car. What is he doing? What the hell? Wait for the car! Dude, he just stole my car. What are you doing? No, you need to stay away. I'm going this way. I can get my car back. Oh, crap! He chased me! He's chasing me! Oh my god! I'm not made for this. Oh my god. It's been like a couple hours later, I think. I'm back at the same spot behind that dumpster, right across from the gas station that's right there, and I don't know why, but my car is literally, oh my god, it's moving. What the hell? Dude, what is going on? I am freaking out right now. I am freaking out. I thought that was a person behind me too. I'm freaking out because my car is being stolen by clowns. I can't make this up. It literally just got stolen by a couple clowns. Oh, he turned off the car. Is he getting out? Did you have fun with my car? Whoa, 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 whoa. You guys need to stay right there. Come on. Yo, please stay back. Please stay back. Please stay back. Please. 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 Oh my god! Dude, I don't know why, but they just like claimed my car. I don't know how I'm gonna get it back. Comment, guys, on what I should do. If I call the cops, they're not gonna believe me. They're not gonna believe this is true. And I can't call Jake, because he won't believe me either. I gotta figure something out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can hear him right now, but I just ran away. There's like this bowling alley right here, and I'm just like spying. Look at this. Look. There they are right there. Thank God Panasonic for the best zoom. That one's waving at me, look, right there. He's flexing and stuff. Look at that. They're jumping up and down on my car. They're jumping up and down on my car and stuff. Look at this. Oh my God. Dude, what is going on?
Come get your gasoline!
That one's just yelling like an idiot.
Gasoline at the best price!
I don't know if you can see them in the background, they're like right there. I seriously have no clue on what I'm gonna do. Through all the stuff I've been, I'm speechless. I've never had this to me. I was just getting gas and trying to fix my car. And horse for a head and a twisty wannabe are over there ransacking my car as we speak. I should have known it was a bad sign when I saw this road closed sign over here. Alright, that one's walking away right now. I don't know where he's going. I think there's one more over there on my car still. I'm gonna come back to it though. I'm gonna give him a couple more minutes and I'm gonna walk back to the car. Hopefully there is no clowns on there anymore. I can't deal with this anymore. This is like the third time this has happened to me. My house, now my car. Next they're gonna be wearing my clothes and dating my girlfriends if I get one. So, damn, I'm screwed. Okay, so I'm a lot closer now. It's been a few minutes. I'm like walking up very slow because my feet are frozen, my hands are frozen. I'm barely able to talk because my mouth is like frozen. All right, look at the frost right now, or the mist. It's cold as hell out in Jersey right now. Freezing. Earrings froze to my ear right now. But that's besides the point. So, this is the scene of the crime. Alright, this gas station, this Sunoco over here, is getting a -7 out of 5 stars review because I just got my car stolen by a bunch of clowns. So, there could be a bomb in here. So let's check. Oh my God, even worse. Just when I thought my night was gonna get worse. Bruh. Bruh. The damn doll is in here. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. I can't win. I can't win. The damn doll that clown was running around with. I'll play a snippet real quick. Dude, my friend? Listen, I don't want any problems. I'm just here to fix my car and get some gas. Oh my God. The damn doll that clown was playing with is literally in my car. And he was running around asking me if I want to pet it or play with it or do any of this stuff. At least these hooligans left my keys in the car. So right now that's a plus. I'm about to just get in my car and just drive away. Still starts, so there's no bomb in it. Baldies, I'll be back in a minute to tell you like what's happening after this. Doses.